Not long ago, I did a video about roadworks and how the people setting up the roadworks seem to be getting less and less intelligent about how they set up the roadworks and the problems they're causing. And I've just seen another example coming back from doing some filming today. And this is a bit I've filmed before, and the road narrows, there's warning signs, the road narrows to the point where you can't get two vehicles past each other if they're large. So if you've got a lorry coming the other way, you can't even get a car through. And there's Anglia Water that have set up some traffic because they've got to deal with a leak. And a lot of people in the comments were correct, and they said like it's private companies that tend to be setting up the traffic lights now. And someone even, I can't remember exactly what, but was saying what they use to decide where the traffic lights go. And it's it. I mean, the training seems to be stick here and light go green, people go, it just seems non-existent, because what you've got here is they've set the light up at the point, the lorry here at the sign waiting for the red light is at the point where they're now blocking the entire road. So predictably, and this was what I thought when they'd set it up, predictably a DHL van now tries to come through on the green light, can't get through, and they have to then reverse. They do the right thing and reverse off the road onto a driveway. Now the car comes through, has to do the same thing the opposite side. But imagine if a lorry was now coming through, you would end up with the entire road blocked. Imagine if that's an emergency vehicle, again, trying to get through. You've got real problems from these people that are setting up roadworks with such little thought. Why set the red light up and make people wait at the point where the road narrows and doesn't leave enough room for people coming through? That makes absolutely zero sense. It doesn't take much to see that sort of thing happening and actually think maybe we'll set the first light up a little bit further back before the road narrows. It honestly baffles me, but that is again another very ridiculous bit of roadworks that's been set up in my local area. It seems to be getting more and more common, and I just cannot understand what is going on.